At least all the red things, I think there's some sort of bacteria growing in it or
Yeah.
something like that.
Still got green bacteria.
Green
Sort
is a sort of algae. They just old curtain rail off those yellow curtains. Like helmet type things. That
Yeah.
crap. You know, twee.
Twee nasty.
First job. Nail down the assortment of nails. Well, it'll last through the summer anyway.
That was instantaneous.
Next thing. We swap.
Uh-huh. And so I shall video it to know what he's looking for next time.
These.
He's taking those up.
I'm going to make a couple of loops.
Yeah.
Need one for now.
Yeah.
To hold the next bit of slate in place.
Okay. Makes sense.
So you have a little S shape, it hooks over the bottom slate, comes down, makes a little S shape, and hooks up the next slate. So
This
it doesn't, as long as the bottom slate stays there,
the mat is sorted. Yeah. Okay.
This will last until we do it all up properly.
Yeah. Sending the heights again. Jez really doesn't like heights, but he's like so. Yeah.
So that will hook on the slate that's
Okay.
up, and then now we have a effectively an S shape.
Okay.
We'll cut the end off.
Right.
What these are for.
Okay. Got ya.
Things.
Yep.
And goes on there. A bit of persuasion.
A little bit. Just to see the end again. Perfect. Thank you.
Got a little gap, make that easier. Make the next one a bit shorter.
Okay.
Again, take pliers,
There we go.
bend the end over.
Right.
That's one end. That's only the bottom. That's a little bit. Right there. Measure it for length. And the next one over. Like that. So it's bent over.
Okay.
And chop that one off.
Woo.
Yep.
Okay.
That bit down there.
There it goes down that.
We now have two of those.
Yeah.
One goes that side. And one goes.
I think we need to get you a GoPro.
What?
A GoPro attached to your head.
Oh, a head thing.
Head camera. Yeah. You used to put them on the helmets of cyclists.
Oh, those things, yeah.
Yeah.
Film your accidents. And
Yeah, exactly that.
well, touch wood.
There's a bit of that about. Okay.
But with it, that bit fell off it.
Ah.
So, that's like the jigsaw with not all the pieces.
Mm-hmm.
So,
They're fairly hefty slates, aren't they, compared to a lot of people's slates, I think? Ah, yes.
that is what's happened.
Yeah.
Now, ideally, it wouldn't have happened like that. The only thing you can do is cut it down and use it in a smaller gap.
Yeah.
This is what comes with procrastinating, putting off not doing it yesterday.
Yeah. You can put things here.
But really, so that'll do.
That will do.
The bottom doesn't matter. I mean, it's part of the overlap.
Yeah.
It wouldn't look pretty if you were doing a proper job.
Does the job until spring. That's the important thing. And the slate goes up.
Oh,
Oh,
check that bit.
pre-cut then.
Well, we can lose that on the end.
Mm-hmm.
We don't need that thing. Yeah. We can make a little hook on one end. So it's been a less prettier end. Yeah. So that'll hook over one end of it,
Okay,
and then we fold up the other end.
there you go.
And
Simple.
really, we can do another one similar. So yeah, there's one in,
Mm-hmm.
and then yeah.
Uh-huh.
Right, pass up that little pair of pliers, could you?
Yeah. So we've gone a bit further up here. So to prove I'm not a complete nutter wuss, I'm now ascending the ladder. I may hasten to add, this is not Jez's idea, this is my idea, so anything that happens which is untoward is my fault. Okay, so here, you can now see exactly what he's done. I should take that back. There. Yeah. There. The next two ones. There you go. So, right up. Yeah. Oh, and that. Hang on for that one. And that's the other one, which is done. To my right. Those are the ones you did earlier. How many years ago? Those have been there for at least 10 years. And this has now been applied today. And it's keep all the wet stuff at bay. As I'm up here, I might as well have a little video over here. Try not to fall off, of course. Different view, always good.